Beijing right there. That's straight tar. That is just straight roof tar that they done pour to your head. And I mean, your hair and beard gonna stay black forever. You probably end up getting some new growth, but yeah, that ain't going nowhere. I mean, look at all of the chemicals he put in there. It's just doing nothing to that. They probably use that to paint cars. You could probably fix fiberglass or something. I mean, that is black. That's just too black, man. He done put, man, what is that? What is that? It look like he done put that little paper they put on your car where they paint your car on you, like that, I forgot what they call it. But they done gave you a wrap. You done wrapped your head. That's a wrap. That ain't no Beijing or that's a wrap. Now that's wild. Nothing you could do, boy. I mean, Just for Men don't stand a chance. Just for Men in Beijing, they don't stand a chance against this. I mean, he could be in a storm. You could set him on fire, but that hair gonna remain black. It's just not going nowhere, man. I ain't gonna lie. Matter of fact, call me because I want to use some. I'll be having to tighten myself up sometimes too. Yes, I die a little bit.
We got to figure this thing out. Like, I come from an industry. I come from an industry of the old school, right? So, in the industry I come from, I'm used to seeing organic cuts, and I'm not upset of where the industry is at now, but we got to make sure some of this stuff is safe because there's no way that product ain't coming off. Now I know LeVar Walker, this is a comedian, and he's making a joke out of it, which is real, but being a professional, being in the industry that I'm in, right? Is this safe? Is this safe? This literally look like some magic marker, some you ain't taking this off, but I just want to know if it's safe. Barbers, yes, we're going to give the best image possible, right? We're going to give the best cut possible. What I want people to do at the same time, let's make sure that it's safe. Because that right there, I don't know if that's safe. And honestly, like I'm gonna give y'all some real talk. Hold on, let me give y'all some real talk. Like on the real, clients don't really know what's best for them. So they're gonna come to you for their expert opinion. So it's your due diligence to make sure that you're putting some chemicals that's safe on them. Last thing we want is for you to put some chemicals on them and then 5 years later, 10 years later, 20 years later, they have cancer because they were getting these untested chemicals put on their head. Like when man said, y'all wrapping heads now? Let's get back to the organicness of just giving a natural cut and put a little bit of dye, a little bit of enhancements that's safe for the skin. Man, y'all let me know down below what y'all think. Y'all wrapping y'all head too? It's FadeMaster.